Good morning. Today I'm going to show you how to insert wire duct and Dinrail in Autocad Electrical. Here I have a drawing that I already have opened. There's some wire duct already installed, so I'm just gonna delete these, and I will show you how to install the wire duct. So once you're in your panel layout, if you go to your panel menu, underneath icon menu, if you click on icon menu, your insert footprint window should open. Inside your window footprint menu, there is a Dinrail icon. So you click on that and your window will open, and this has a list of all your wire duct and your Dinrails that you can insert. If it's not on this list, I will show you later how to add them to the list, which is just a matter of modifying a spreadsheet. So, on this project, we are inserting 2x4 Panduit. Here's the part number. So, it's white on here. You can put in your dimensions, which I almost never do. Everything is set up. There's a conversion over here to, if you're working in millimeters or something, you'll need to convert it to make it fit properly. But right now it's set up to be in inches, so that is all set for us. So what you do here is you click pick rail information, and once you do that, you will come in your drawing, and you will, when it inserts Dinrail, it inserts it by the middle of the Dinrail. So it's hard to exactly place it. So what I do is just get the length correct, which for this piece is the top and the bottom. Once you select it, it's telling you what your length is. You can actually change the length if you want, but right now 72 is perfect for me. Hit OK, and it inserts your wire duct. It already applies your part number for your duct and your cover, and if you hit catalog check here, this is how it'll show up on the BOM. You have one piece of wire duct here, and it also has a sub-assembly of 1 2-inch cover that goes with it. So that's good. It'll also automatically put in your item number, or you can put in whatever item number you want. You can make your item number fixed if you wish, and you could also put in a tag for the Dinrail. Most times people don't, but you can do it. I'll usually put in like DR1, and then increment them as I go if I need it to be there. But it's really not required for Dinrail. Now once you insert it, you will just move it like you would move anything else. Highlight it, click M, grab any part of it, bring it over, make sure it, you pick the perpendicular command, and there it's where it needs to be. Now once you install this, if you have more pieces that are the same, you could just type in CO, hit enter, grab it, slide it over, make sure it's perpendicular. There you go. Now you would go in here, edit it real quick, change it to DR2 because it is a new piece now. Now it'll ask you if it wants you to update. You will click no, because if you click yes, it's going to change the other one to DR2 also. So you just want to hit skip. So now you got DR1, DR2. Now once I did that, now I want to install another piece across the top. So I would just go in and click the same thing. It will remember what you used previously. So it's already set up. All you do is click on pick rail information. Come over here, pick end to end. Hit OK. Bam, it installs it. Here you would want to be DR3, but otherwise everything else stays the same. It remembers it's the right item number, and then once you install it, you want to come in here and see it installs according to the middle point. You don't want that. You want to grab it, slide it down so it's on the end. And same as before, if you want to copy, if you need to copy it and use it in another position, you would just highlight, click it, hit copy, move it down to where it needs to be, press F8 and it'll only go straight. So, and then place it where you need it. So, actually I need it to be down here where I had previously installed Dinrail. So now it's all lined up. Sorry, wire duct. Dinrail works the same exact way. You go in here, click Dinrail. You will select your Dinrail. We're using the Intralec. I already added that to the library. Then you hit pick rail information. Cool thing about this is Dinrail comes in 6-foot lengths. So I'm going to put a piece here just to show you. If I make it, this is 6 foot tall. If I go longer and hit OK. Okay, part numbers in here, everything. I already gave it the item number it needs. You could give it the Dinrail number if you want. Dinrail 3. Hit OK. Nope, it already exists. Let me cancel and give it DR4. I forgot I did that. So now it inserted the Dinrail. Now it actually inserted all the pieces you need, because Autocad knows how long it is, because I tell it how long it is. And these are actually 3 pieces of Dinrail. And they're the correct size. And all the holes are lined up correctly with the real world. So, and the good thing about this is the old way we did it, you would install it and then you'd have to delete all the pieces you weren't using and all that stuff. So with this, you don't. You will insert it in, and then once you make your components, you will put your wipeouts on your components. So once you insert them on the Dinrail's still there. See, if I highlight it, everything shows up. But since I have the wipeouts on each individual part, they cover up the Dinrail. That way, if you ever move a piece, move it there, it takes, the Dinrail shows back up, and it hides it in the new spot. So that saves time. So that is how you actually insert them. Now, I want to show you real quick, if your Dinrail is not in the project, there is a spreadsheet. So if you go to File, Open, this will be on the network drive. So whatever drive it's going to be, if it's Z drive or whatever, this will be where it is. So right now it currently resides in my A drive, but once you go into the network drive, if you hit AutoCAD catalogs, there's a spreadsheet here called WDDINRL XLS. That is WD stands for Wire Duct Dinrail. That's how they name it. Wire Duct Dinrail XLS. Just they shortened it. Once you open it, this is your all of the parts that are on the drawing. So you can see them here. Catalog number. I created the Intralec one the other day. Mostly all these, especially the wire duct, is real easy. If there's one that you have that you need to add a new one, if you come over here, say, if you highlight this entire row, copy it, and then just paste it, and you can change it to say it's white, but I wanted gray, so I would have to change this to be I forgot what the code is. I think it's LG6 for light gray. And then over here, I'd also change this to LG6. And then change the description in here so that it now says gray. And that is all you have to do to add a new piece of wire duct. Oh, actually, it is not. You gotta Yeah, if the dimensions are the same as an existing one, all this stuff will be good too. But if if you're changing the actual width of the wire duct, you have to come in here and modify the rail width thing here. You see how the 1.25s are actually, yeah, it's 1.25, 3.25 for these, for the 3-inch ones. So this, you're telling this program how wide it is, and it already knows that it's 72 inches tall. That's the only dimensions you have to put in. Dinrail is a little more complex. Dinrail has all these numbers you put in, and that tells it how to put in all the slots. It tells you, you know, where the middle point is, how big the slot is, all that stuff. That information is here. That's for another totally different video because it takes a little time, but it's not that bad. Once you get this done, then you just save the document, close, and then if I were to go back into this Autocad here and go to insert Dinrail, there's the new one I just created. It's already in there. I could click on it. There it is. It inserted it. It actually does the same thing with wire duct as it does Dinrail. If it's too long, it actually creates multiple pieces to fit whatever you told it the length was. So that is how you insert your wire duct in your Dinrail. It's not complicated, but it can save a lot of time because it's already blocked together. You set whatever length you want. It ends up being quite the time saver. So thank you. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a comment. Thank you.